Namaste and welcome. Today I'm going to share more about the very powerful mantra for spiritual protection against coronavirus that Dr. Pillai recently revealed. The mantra uses Siddha secretive technology. The Siddhas are perfected beings from India who developed superhuman powers. Dr. Pillai is a scholar mystic from the Tamil Siddha tradition of South India and is the first Tamil Siddha to come to the West and openly share the secrets of his tradition. The mantra Dr. Pillai revealed is Coronavirus Nashi Mashi. Nashi Mashi are Siddha secretive sounds to destroy negative energy. These sounds work at the nada level, the subtlest level of sound. This is the technology of the Siddhas. The sounds will do the work. All you have to do is go on saying the sounds over and over again. As Dr. Pillai explained, you don't have to even know the meaning of Nashi Mashi. The mantras work whether you understand them or not. He gives the example that when you take an aspirin for a headache, you don't have to understand how the aspirin works, but it does. Dr. Pillai said that the best spiritual solution right now is for people to join together in chanting this mantra, Coronavirus Nashi Mashi. He recommends, if possible, chanting the mantra for 1,008 times and do it 3 times a day, in the morning, afternoon, or evening. You can even chant the mantra all throughout the day, silently in your mind, as you go about your daily activities. Most importantly, just use it in any way that works for you. Coronavirus Nashi Mashi. 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 Please share this content with your friends and families so they can benefit too. Have a blessed day.